Hello guys, in this video I am going to teach you about polymers chapter. So as we know that this is a theory topic, right? So just try to revise this, and after seeing this video try to read at least once the NCERT textbook. So now let's start our video. This is polymers, right? Here as we know that this poly means many, right? And here the meaning of mers means units, or we can say that parts. So now let's say the definition for polymerization. Polymerization is a formation of polymer from respective monomer is called polymerization. So it's just simple. See, if you take n moles of something monomer, let's take, then from this we'll get one polymer. Let me write it here like this. So now this is polymer, right? Here this is monomer. The process of formation of polymer from respective monomer is called polymerization. So this process is called polymerization. So now let's see types of polymers. So here let's see the types of polymers. There are two types of polymers. One is homopolymer and another one is copolymer. Homopolymer means polymer which are formed by only one kind of monomer. Here let me tell you one example. So let's take ethene here. If you take n moles of ethene, CH2, CH2, if you do polymerization, then we will get polyethene, right? CH2, CH2. Then write this like this is polyethene. So this one is ethene. So here this polymer, this is polymer, right? This polymer is forming by only one kind of monomer, that is ethene. So this is called homopolymers. Copolymer means we will take different types of monomers. Let me tell you one example here. So let's see one example for copolymer. Now S. Here this is polymer, and its monomers are, let me write here, styrene. This is styrene. These two are its monomers. This is styrene. So I hope this is clear, right? So now let's move to classification of polymers. So now let's see the classification of polymers. This classification first let's see based on source. So these are divided into three types. One is natural polymer, and next one is synthetic polymer, and the third one is semi-synthetic polymer. So for this video I am just covering this classification of polymers, how these are classified based on sources, based on different types. So these are the types based on the sources. Now let's see classification based on structures. So these are divided into again three types. One is linear polymer, and another one is branched chain polymer, and third one is network or 3D polymer. So I'll explain you this in detail in my next video. So the next classification based on molecular forces. So these divided into four types. One is elastomers, and next one is fibers, and the third one is thermoplastic polymers, and the fourth one will be thermosetting polymers. So these are the four types which are classification based on molecular forces. So the next classification is based on synthesis. So these are very important. So I'll explain you these in my next video. So I'm just telling you how this classification occurs on different types. So classification based on synthesis divided into two types. One is addition polymers and another one is condensation polymer. So here addition polymers are also known as chain growth polymers, and condensation polymers are also known as step growth polymers. So in my next video I'll explain you detail about this. So this will be the part 1. So this will be the part 1 of the polymers. In my next video I'll cover few more. I'll discuss about these types individually, and till then keep practicing organic chemistry. Bye for now. Let's meet in my next video. Thank you guys.